Hey everyone, one of the first Chinese tablets to come pre-installed with Android 15 is the OSCAL Pad 100, a low-cost tablet from Blackview's OSCAL sub-brand. The tablet is packaged in a high-end design that closely mimics that of Apple's iPad. Aside from the tablet itself, the package includes a number of helpful add-ons, including a stylus, an 18-watt power converter, a USB Type-C charging cable, a SIM card ejector tool, a screen protector, and a branded protective case. OSCAL Pad 100 has a small profile of only 8 millimeters and weighs only 610 grams, despite its huge 12-inch display. Despite being built of metal and having a matte appearance, the device's rear does catch fingerprints. A USB Type-C port, a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, and a hybrid SIM card slot that can accommodate 2 SIM cards or one SIM card with a microSD card for additional storage are located on the left side. The display has a resolution of 2000 by 1000 pixels and is a 12-inch IPS panel. Since this resolution is necessary for a display of this size, it's a welcome surprise that OSCAL didn't skimp on the screen. Despite having a typical 60 Hz refresh rate, the display boasts strikingly tiny bezels, brilliant colors, and respectable brightness levels. While not ideal, viewing angles are adequate. The octa-core Unisoc T615 CPU, which powers the OSCAL Pad 100, provides a pronounced boost in performance over the less sophisticated Unisoc T606 chipset. With a benchmark score of about 323,200 points, the tablet does well for a low-cost gadget. It is capable of running some casual and mid-range games, but it is not a gaming tablet. There are 2 versions of the tablet, one with 256 gigabytes of internal storage and 8 gigabytes of RAM. Another advantage of the OSCAL Pad 100 is its long battery life. It has an 18-watt quick charging capability and a 9,000 mAh battery. Because the battery is well optimized, power consumption is smooth. After an hour of YouTube playback at 50% brightness over Wi-Fi, the tablet lost about 9% of its charge in testing, suggesting good endurance. Support for 2 SIM cards with 4G connectivity is one of the connectivity choices, guaranteeing compatibility with the majority of global mobile networks. Running vanilla Android 15, the OSCAL Pad 100 offers a streamlined and optimized user experience without the need for any tweaks. The OSCAL Pad 100 has an 8 megapixels front camera and a 16 megapixels rear camera for photography. The image quality is good for a tablet in this price range, but it's not as good as the cameras on smartphones. There are some AI-powered improvements that enable illumination changes and mild background blurring. So, the OSCAL Pad 100 is a great low-cost tablet for productivity, video consumption, light gaming, and home use. It is a desirable choice because of its large size, excellent display, strong sound output, and the newest Android OS. Its adaptability is further increased by the addition of 4G connectivity and SIM card support. Families, students, and casual users searching for a large-screen tablet that is both reasonably priced and functional will find it to be a good option. Thanks for watching. What do you think about the new budget tablet? Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.